Hey, Vilkris. I wanted to give you some feedback on some UI UX stuff, and I figured it'd be easiest just to make a little video and show you. All right, same setup as my last video. I've got Alice and Bob. Let's get Bob's address here. Whoa, why is it not working? Sorry, my mouse is freaking out. Copy. Okay. Oof, my mouse is lagging. All right, start swap. Wow, the mouse is definitely not working well. Okay, I'm gonna send 100 ZNN to Alice. Okay, so the first thing is, I don't know if these are hard-coded or not, but I think that should be TZNN, because sometimes it's TQSR, sometimes it's TZNN. I'm not exactly sure. But if we're on testnet, we got to find. I think we should find a way to add a T in front of that. All right, let's deposit, copy deposit ID. And then we're going to join swap. Paste. Yeah, so now you see over here, we're receiving 100 T ZNN, and we're sending ZNN on the other side. So I think we should make that consistent. I'm going to send QSR. I'm not sure if this dropdown should have the T as well. I'm not exactly sure. And then some of the feedback that we're getting from everyone is that we need to somehow verify the token standard to make sure that this is a legitimate, either a whitelisted token or something that actually represents ZNN, rather than having to, do this and going over to token and searching and verifying it. Huh. I don't know why no item is found. And let me get the deposit. I don't know why that's not found. But, maybe we should have T's in front of those as well, if we're going to be consistent. Let's send QSR. So what guys are saying is we need some way to verify that the ZNN and QSR are actually legitimate without having to actually check the token standard. Okay, join swap. Okay, let's go back over here to Alice. So I'm sending 100. I should be receiving 1,000. Okay. One of the things that was sort of confusing. No, I think that's all good. We're going to swap. So this is, again, Alice. I'm sending from to. I think we need the T ZNN there. So I think that all makes sense. From to. What I think didn't make sense was over here. So the last time I did this and I shared this video, I'm on Bob's profile. He was, oh, and also check this out. So there's no TQSR. I think I mentioned that previously. I actually had to power cycle, or I'm sorry, reboot SYRIUS. It wasn't able to find it, so this started right around minute 5. I'm just going to let this roll and see, let it roll for a couple minutes and see what happens. Oh, it just worked. Okay, so I'm sending from, so Bob sent 1,000 to Alice. Okay, so that's actually, that makes sense. I don't know why it didn't make sense to me before. So I guess the comments really are making sure that we consistently have the T, and then finding a way to automate the token standard verification process to make sure somebody doesn't create a token called, you know, ZNN1, and somebody not realizing that that's some shitcoin. So let's go over here and just make sure Bob's got it. Okay, yep, I got 1,000 ZNN. Sorry, let's go over to Alice. And she's got her QSR. So maybe this issue on testnet is we don't have enough nodes, and sometimes the connectivity is not so good, which is maybe causing the swaps to not appear. I'm not sure. So I guess it's just those two comments. Thanks.